नमस्कार, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर वीडियो सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम। टुडे इज आवर 6th lecture on gravitation. In this lecture, we will try to solve all the numerical sums given in the textbook. All the questions are from page number 15 of Science and Technology Part 1. Means what? Science 1. We till now we have studied all the theory portion of gravitation. In this session, we will try to solve all the numerical portion given in the textbook, and in next lecture we will solve some more numerical from our means study material. So let's move to first question. You people should go again and again of this video to understand the core concept of numerical. So here is our first question. Right now I don't have any textbook, so I am taking help of laptop for viewing question. So question is what? An object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meters on a planet. What is the value of g on the planet? Question is what? First question is there. An object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from this height, and the height is what? This is what? 5 meter. What is the value of g on this planet? Right? Fine. Now see, the value of g is what? Gm by r square. The value of g depends on mass and radius of the planet. This concept has been discussed in second part. In second part means what? Second lecture of gravitation. So here is the question. You have to find the value of g. Right? Now the body moves from this point to this point. Means what? Body is approaching the planet, means in support of gravity. So the value of g is what? Positive. This all concept already we have discussed. Now if a body is thrown from this point to this point, from this point to this point against gravity, then the value of g is treated to be negative. Right? Now in this question you have to make use of the formula v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at squared, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Right? Now you have to choose which formula to be used. Here what is given? U is what? 0. V is not given. Right? You have to find the value of g. G means what? Acceleration a. Find in first equation v is not given and a you have to find. Means two variable is there, so we don't have to use this formula. Second formula, s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is given. S is what? Distance is what? 5 meter. Now u is what? 0 and t is what? 5 seconds. So you have to use this formula. So s is equal to ut plus half at square. See here, s is what? 5 meter. So 5 equal to 0 into t. U initial velocity is what? 0 plus half a into 5 square. T is what? 5 second. Now this become 5 equal to 0 into t will become 0 plus half a into 25. So 5 equal to half a into 25 cross multiplication. 5 into 2 become 10 equal to 25 a. 10 by 25 equal to a. 5 into 2, 5 into 5 means what? A is what? 2 by 5. So a equal to 0.4 meter per second square. So the value of acceleration due to gravity, or g, you can put the value of you can put g at the place of a. A is what? Acceleration due to gravity. G is also acceleration due to gravity. A is what? Acceleration. So the value of acceleration due to gravity on that planet is what? 0.4 meter per second square. Right? So this one is what? Our first question. We'll discuss next question. So second question, the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Two planets is there, planet A and planet B is there. Fine. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Means radius of planet A is what? Half the radius of planet B. Let the radius of planet B is what? RB. Then the radius of planet A is what? Half RB. Right? It is given the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is MA, if the mass of A is what? MA, next, what must be the mass of B? Let the mass of B be what? X. So that the value of G on B is half that of value on A. Means the value of gravity, acceleration due to gravity on A is what? GA. Right? Condition is what? What must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half that of the value on A. Means the acceleration due to gravity on B is what? Half of GA. Now you have to find what is the value of what? X. Now take G is equal to what? Gm by R square. This is what generic formula. Now take two condition. GA means what? Acceleration due to gravity on planet A is what? Capital G MA by RA square. Make it equation 1. In same manner, GB will be what? Capital G MB by RB whole square. This is equation number 2. Just divide this. So GA by GB equal to GMA by RA square by GMB by RB square. Now come to here. GA by GB equal to GMA by RA square into RB square by GMB. Capital G get cancelled. Now the value of GA is what? GA. Right? Now the value of GB is what? Half GA. This become half GA equal to the value of MA is what? MA. The value of RA, radius radius of first planet, RA is what? Half RB. Half RB whole square into RB is what? RB whole square, and the value of mass of the planet B is what? X. Right? Now you have to calculate this value. How can you calculate the value? Just look on board. So this become what? This and this get cancelled. 2 will move up. So here it is what? 2. Now this will become what? MA by, this will become what? RB square by 4 into RB square by X. Now it will become what? 2 equal to 4 MA by RB square into RB square by X. RB square will get cancelled. Now this become what? 2 equal to 4 MA by X. Right? Now 2x is equal to 4 MA X equal to twice of MA. Means this one is what? Answer. Means the mass of X must be 2 times the mass of A. Means mass of second planet, mass of planet B must be 2 times mass of first planet. Means mass of planet A. This is how you have to proceed with the question. This is question number B. Next we'll start question number C. So here is our third question. In third question, the mass and weight of an object on Earth are 5 kg and 49 kg. Mass and weight is given. Mass is what? 5 kg and weight is what? 49 Newton. Right? What will be their value on the moon? What is the value of the mass and weight on the moon? And it is given that Assume that the acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1/6 that of earth. Means g on moon is 1/6 of g on earth. It is what given. Fine. Now you have to this is what mass on earth and this is weight on earth. You have to calculate mass on moon and weight on moon. Right. Now in second lecture I taught you the difference between mass and weight. Fine. In which I had already discussed that mass is constant and weight is variable. Weight depends on acceleration due to gravity. So mass is what? Constant. So since mass is constant, so mass on moon is 5 kg and weight on moon become 1/6 into weight on earth, which is what? 49. So 49 divided by 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 1.0. 6 into 1 6. 4 0 36. So this is again 8.166. So weight on moon is what? 8.17 Newton. Weight depends on acceleration due to gravity. Right? Weight depends on acceleration due to gravity. This is our third question. Next question we'll discuss question number 4. So question number 4. Question number 4 is what? An object thrown vertically upward reaches a height of 500 meter. An object is thrown upward, reaches a height of 500 meter. Right? Now, so here final velocity will become what? 0, since the ball stops here. What was the initial velocity? You have to find the value of what? U, initial velocity. And how long will the object take to come back to the earth? Assume that the value of g is what? 10 meter per second square. Assume that the value of acceleration due to gravity on earth is what? 10 meter per second square. So what? You have to use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. See, the value of S is what? 500 meter. U is what? You have to find. You don't have the value of t, right? T is not known, so don't use this formula since two variable is there. Fine. Here S is what? 500 meter. V is what? 0. You have to find the value of G is what? 10 meter per second square. This is what? Data, given data. Fine. Now formula is what? V square minus U square equal to, see here, एक टेक्निक आपको सिखा देता हूँ. We have three formula. V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? ध्यान देना. अगर सपोज करो मैं ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना चाह रहा हूँ. V is what? Known, 0. U is known? No. You have to find the value of U. A is known? Yes. It is what? 10. T is known? No. Two variable is there. So don't use this formula. Now come to second. S is known? Yes. S is known. U is known? Yes. No. You have to find the value of U. T is known? No. T is known. Here is two variable. So don't use this formula. Don't use this formula. Use this formula. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. V is what? 0. 0 square minus U square equal to 2 into A is what? Minus 10 against gravity, and S is what? 500. This become minus U square equal to minus 2 into 10 into 500. This become what? U square equal to 2 into 10 can be written as 2 into 5, and this can be written as 5 into 100. So U is what? Under root 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 100. This become what? 2. this become 5 and this become 10. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 10 is what? 100 meter per second. So this initial speed is what? 100 meter per second. Now again, one more parameter you have to find is what? How long will the object take to come back to the earth? कहने का मतलब है क्या, ये ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ पे वापस कितने देर में आएंगे? फाइन, just note it. After we have to discuss, find time. Now see here, time. Okay, so v is equal to what? U plus at. V is what? 0. U you had calculated 100 plus a is what? Minus 10, right? Why I am taking minus 10? Because this is against gravity. So this become minus 10t equal to 100. Minus 10t goes LHS left hand side. Sorry, this become what? Minus will become plus, and this become what? T equal to 10 second. Okay, means what? The value of t इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट पे जाने के लिए 10 सेकेंड, एंड इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट अगेन आने के लिए 10 सेकेंड. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ t इज व्हाट? 20 सेकेंड. बॉडी को यहां से यहां आने के लिए 10 सेकेंड, और फिर यहां से यहां आने के लिए टाइम ऑफ एसेंट एंड टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट बोथ आर सेम. सो 10 plus 10 become what? 20 seconds. This is how you have to proceed with numericals. This is question number 4th question. Next we'll jump to question number 5. Please note it. Next question, question number 5th one. Question number 5th is what? A ball falls from off a table and reaches the ground in 1 second. 1 second. Time taken to reach is 1 second. And assuming g is what? 10 meter per second. Calculate its speed on reaching the ground and the height of table. You have to calculate the value, height, and final velocity here. Initial velocity is what? 0. So question is what? U is equal to 0, t equal to 1 second. You have to calculate the value of h and v. Final velocity. First equation. V is equal to u plus at. V equal to 0 plus 10 into 1. A is what? 10. G is what? 10 meter per second square. So V equal to 10 meter per second. Final velocity here becomes 10 meter per second. Next, also you have to find the height. So again you have to find the value of height. So take S is equal to ut plus half at squared. S is what? You have to calculate. U is what? 0 into t plus half into 10 into t is what? 1 second, 1 square. So S is equal to half into 10. Half into 10. So the value of S is equal to 5 meter. Means what? Height is what? 5 meter. This is question number 5. Two more questions remaining. We'll start question number 6.